So this stall is Tenny's. He's in the stall next door to Hugo. And Tenny has his buddy in the stall with him. There she is. Hello, Miss Delightful. Gorgeous girl. Yes, I know. So, this may explain why Tenny gets so upset when Delight goes out to do jobs. She's his barn buddy. In a way that Hugo will never be, because Hugo is very sane and sensible. Hugo? Let's see if Hugo will come over. He's such a handsome boy. But Hugo is a massive fan of the hay bag. Hugh? He says, no, I'm busy. Busy. So night-night, Hugo. Tenny, you got to finish your dinner, darling. I think Delight's finished before you, but she only gets a tiny bit. Night-night, Delight. Good girl.